we know being a university professor is demanding. Between lectures and grading, research, projects, committee work and evaluating research thesis, there's barely time to explore new teaching methods or personalize your courses. Introducing Center for Digital Learning, Training and Resources, Cdltr. A powerful place where you can enrich and transform your teaching experience and engage your students in more ways than one. Cdltr empowers you to create dynamic online modules, lectures, and assignments. Utilize our range of facilities and services to create engaging and powerful videos, simulations, and interactive elements to bring your subject matter to life. Collaborate with colleagues across departments, share best practices, and discover new teaching strategies. You can do it all at Cdltr. Enhance student engagement and cater to diverse learning styles. See firsthand how Cdltr fosters deeper comprehension and improved learning outcomes. Cdltr streamlines your workload, frees up valuable time, and allows you to focus on what matters most, inspiring your students. At Cdltr, we assist you in developing online courses tailored to different types of learners. Be it a course for University of Hyderabad students or for a collaborating agency, regardless of the course level, we ensure smooth development, production, and delivery for both national and international projects. Cdltr also supports both synchronous and asynchronous teaching, learning, and assessment. Come visit us to learn more. Write to us at cdltr.office@uohyd.ac.in. Visit our website, cdltr.uohyd.ac.in. Discover a world of resources designed to propel your teaching forward.